A very happy day to you, dear viewers. Welcome to my show, How to Be a Champion Student. For past 20 years, 2 decades, myself, Rafiullah Beg, have been working to develop the students to become a champion student, a distinction student. I want to take the mediocre students, weak students and dull students and convert them into the champion students, into brilliant students. Is it possible? Yes, it has been possible for me. For last 2 decades, I have interacted with thousands and thousands and thousands of people who have come to me with weak memory and a very bad handwriting and a very poor self-image. Today, they are #1 students. They are champion students and they have got excellent memory recall and they have excellent handwriting. How you can learn this and how you can be the next champion student in this country? Well, this is the show all about. I'm going to reveal the secrets of superpower memory and the secrets of how to have an excellent handwriting and to become a champion student. It is not important how much you have studied. I repeat, it is not important how much you have studied. It is very important how much you remember of what you have studied. There is a big difference between how much you study and how much you remember. But in examination, it only matters how much you remember and how much you can write. How to remember at a given time is a wonderful technique that will help you to score a very high marks. In those 3 hours of your examination, you should know which technique to use to recall which particular subject. In my training program, I am going to train students how to remember and write at the required time. There are different techniques for different subjects, and the techniques can be used to memorize a particular chapter, or to remember a formula, or to remember a theorem. This is very, very important for you to know that there are different techniques that your student can learn to help himself or herself in different topics. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. Yes, my dear viewers, the linking method is only for theory-based subjects, and the theorems and the formulas can be remembered using mechanical method, judicious method and mnemonic chain methods. There are different methods that we use for different techniques, and ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಅವನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಮೊದಲಿದ್ದಾಗೂ ಇವಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವಳು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್.
It's very nice. Rafi sir is very good and do more programs like this. Very much thank you.
After he saw the DVD from yesterday evening only, he is able to transform himself. So he has got a lot of responsibility and a lot of focus is there, and the distraction is very less, and he said that I can get at least 83% at the 9th starting itself. That is what the goal he has got.
She's been very enthusiastic throughout the session. She was working all night. During night hours also, she was not bored, tired or something, very eager to work. Before she was a bit lazy, not enjoying her work. Now, whatever the time may be, but she was awake late night and she was doing her work.
Really, it was very fantastic experience. We gone through, and even we parents also enjoyed a lot. And now we are very interested to become a kid and to join this classes.
I feel it's a quite excellent program which I felt, and I exercised a couple of exercises. He did it very excellent. I hope he will improve. He will capitalize this program very well, and he will improve his memory concept.
Really felt lots of changes in him after coming home. Actually, when he comes from the college, he used to be very tired. But after coming from the workshop, even though he was here from morning 7 to evening 8, he would come very active and I would feel very happy, and he would talk to everybody very nice. But before he wouldn't do that. When he comes, he's so tired, he'll put one bag on one side. Okay, he'll just sit on the sofa, couch, and he would be in his own world. But now it's not like that. He'll try, as soon as he comes, we can see that energy in him. And he talks to everybody around in the house. Okay, and then even after 10 till 10 o'clock also, he'll do his work and then only go back to sleep.
After improving the memory of your child, it is very important the child has a very good handwriting. ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ ನಂತರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವರ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಜಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So if your child does not have a legible handwriting, in spite of the fact that the child has written a right answer, the child will not get the marks because the examiner would not be able to understand and follow what your child has written. So it's very essential that your child has a very legible and a very good handwriting. And for that, our institute, Handwriting Institute India, has a special program using what is called as graphotherapy. Graphotherapy is a scientific method of improving the handwriting of your child so that he can pick up speed, comprehension, and also legibility. So this program aims at teaching your child how to have a very good handwriting.
My name is Kishan. I have recently completed my 10th standard in AV Education Society, which is situated at JP Nagar. I joined Excel workshop in January 2013, and before coming to this workshop, I was really a dull student and I never used to speak with people. And on top of that, I was very lazy. But after doing this workshop, I've become very active and always I love people nowadays, and I always converse with them anywhere. Before joining Excel workshop, as I was dull, I used to score only 48.5%, that is the total makes as 285, and after joining the workshop, I've got my total as 285 as my total, that is 45%, and after coming to this Excel workshop, I've improved my percentage to 70%, that is 436 as my total. I'll show you my marks cards. This is my marks card before doing Excel workshop. I was really dull in the languages, that is Kannada and Hindi, and also the core subjects science and social, which makes my total as 285, that is 45%. After doing the Excel workshop, this is my 10th standard final board exam report, where I've done well in all my subjects and my total makes up to 436, that is 70%.
Myself, Aishwarya Sayer, finished my 10th standard in Vagdevi Vilas High School. Before doing this Excel workshop, I was an average student. I did my Excel workshop in January 2013. Before, I used to score 60 to 65%. Now, I'm able to score 70 to 73% in my boards. I'm gonna show you my marks cards. This is my previous year's marks card. In my finals, I had scored 70 to 60 in all the subjects, and now in my 10th standards, I've scored above 90 in all subjects and above 70 in my main core subjects. And my total the previous year was 413, and my total this year is 458. If all these changes can happen to me, I'm sure it can happen to you too. So I welcome you to be a part of this workshop.
Myself Sandesh, just completed my 10th standard in Vidya Bharati English School. I finished my graphotherapy at Basveshwar Nagar Center. I completed my Excel workshop in the month of Jan 2013. Before joining to this Excel workshop, I used to secure 59% in my 9th standard exam. I was a dull student, used to not mingle with others. After joining to this Excel workshop, my confidence level has been increased, my memory skills has been increased, and I have an effective public speaking. Now I am happy to say that I have secured 69% in my recent 10th standard exams. And this is my 10th standard. In this I have scored first language 85 and second language for 84, third language that is Kannada 74, and maths 46, science 60, social 80, and the total is 429. And the overall percentage is 68.64%. If these changes can happen to me, it surely happened to you.
Your child needs total personality development. He has to improve not only in his studies but also improve in his entire life. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅವರು. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕೊಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಬಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ಹೌ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, how to manage your time, how to develop in the weak subject, how to prepare for exams, how to set and achieve goals, how to speak in public, communication skills. These are the different topics that your child is going to learn. It's a total development of the child's personality, and the child should enjoy the education. The child should learn with a lot of fun, and that is our aim. And I want to tell you something about your kid, dear parents. Your kid is a genius. Yes, I totally believe that your kid is a genius waiting to be untapped.
I'm Sri Hari. I just completed my 10th in St. Joseph's Indian High School. Before joining to this Excel workshop, I had low self-esteem. I was a dull student and I was not confident on myself. After attending this Excel workshop in December 2012, in my recent 10th exams, I got 78% as my percentage, but in my preparatories, I got 60%. Whereas in my 9th exams, before joining this Excel workshop, I just got 59%. My parents and my family is happy to tell that I got 78% in my examinations. I'm gonna now show you my 10th recent examinations marks card. In my 9th examinations, in first language, that is English, I just got 75 out of 125. In Kannada, I got 63. In Hindi, I got 56. And this is mathematics, I just got 38 marks. And so general science is 45 and social science is 40. The total is 317, that is 59%. This is my 10th examination certificate. I got first language, that is English, 100, and Kannada 91, Hindi 78, Math 75, Science 60, and Social Science is 76. The total is 480, that is 78%.
Blessed day, I am Suraj K and I recently did my SSLC exams in Sri Vidya Mandir Education Society, Malleshwaram. I did my graphotherapy in Malleshwaram and I did my Excel workshop in January 2013. Before doing this Excel workshop, I was weak in my studies and my handwriting was worst. This is my Excel workshop certificate. Before doing this Excel workshop, I was scoring about 45 to 32%. By using this Excel techniques in my exams and by changing my belief system, I scored about 59.04%. And this is my certificate. I got 56% in first language, 77 in second language English, 67 in third language Kannada, 30% in mathematics, in science 65, in social science 74, that is total is 368, that is 59.04%.
So dear viewers, thank you for watching my program, How to be a Champion Student, and I look forward to meet up with you with your child. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಬಹಳ ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ SMS-ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಲೈಫ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸಿ ಯು ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್.